Welcome to Unity 2017. Unity 2017, building a Tilemap 2D game from scratch by Lauren S. Ferro, a course by Pact Publishing. My name's Mark Thomas and I'll be the presenter for this course. Lauren S. Ferro has a PhD in player modelling. She works as a gamification consultant and designer in many different industries. She's an active researcher in user player-centered design. Lauren runs game workshops that focus on designing user-centered gaming experiences. She's also the creator of a game design resource, GamyCards, which is a prototyping tool for game experiences. She's passionate about the future of games, their technologies, and their potential to improve people's lives. This course will help you to understand platformer games and how to develop one. Let's see what's in store for us. The first section, building a tile map and importing it into Unity, introduces a third-party tool for creating tile sets. Furthermore, you'll learn how to incorporate these tiles into Unity to build 2D worlds for your game. The second section, Look, It Moves, starts the actual development of the game by expanding the concepts learned for animation state machines and extending them for the main hero animation system. The next section, Let's Get Physical, focuses on some concepts of physics 2D in Unity and how these can be helpful to finish up the gameplay of the game, in particular to create a movement system that will work on both desktop computers and mobile devices. The following section, Don't Forget to Save, outlines how to permanently store the data of your games and how to use these techniques to create a save load system. The last section, The Nature of Export, dives into how to export the games you made, to be played either as standalone, Windows, Linux or Mac, or on mobile devices, such as Android. The course follows a step-by-step approach and explains every concept associated with the development of the game. By the end of this course, you'll have a basic platform game with you and the knowledge to create your own games. For this course, a basic experience of programming is expected. You'll only need Unity 2017. There are no specific hardware requirements, but it's preferable to have RAM of 4 GB or more. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the course.